Let us take some more problems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 6 nines. Into 6 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 6 nines. So it is 6 nines, right? So 12 slash 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side of this slash, whatever number is there, add 1 to it and subtract it from the entire number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 78 minus 13, 65. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 8 also it is 2. Try to do subtraction. You will find this method to be extremely easy. Extremely easy you will find. 972 into 99. You will get this kind of doubt. 972 into 99. 972. Keep a slash after 2 digits. 9, 1 added, 10. Subtract it from the entire number. 962. 10 is not subtracted from 72. 10 is subtracted from 972. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 2, it is 8. 10 minus 2, it is 8. Now, 1 minute, sir. If it is given in the examination, probably you can do it in a different way. See here, 99. 99 is 9 into 11. 9 into 11. 9 into this number. Right? Answer digital sum will be 9. Answer digital sum will be 9. If any number is multiplied with 9, please write down. If you multiply any number with 9, answer digital sum is always 9. Answer digital sum is always 9. If you multiply any number by 9, 9 into this one, right? So, answer digital sum will be 9. 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 1 plus 8, 9. This is multiple of 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 4 plus 2, 9. Next one, 6 plus 6 plus 6, it is 9. Next one, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. If you multiply any number by series of 9s, please write down. If you multiply any number by 9, answer digital sum is always 9. Let us check it out. 234 into 99. Okay, you might get this doubt. 178 into 4 nines. If the number of nines are more than the number of digits, these is nothing but 0, 0, 178. Prefix zeros, it makes no difference. 4 nines are there. Keep a slash after 4 digits. 0 plus 1 is 1. 178 minus 1. 177. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 8, it is 2. Answer is 1779822. 4 nines it is nothing but 9 into 4 ones. Answer digital sum should be 9. 9 out. 7 plus 2, 9 out. 7 plus 2, 9 out. 8 plus 1, 9 out. Answer digital sum is always 9. Answer digital sum is always 9. If I multiply any number, any number with 9 as a digital sum, 9 or its multiples, any multiple of 9, answer digital sum will be 9. Any multiple of 9, answer digital sum. Before solving this question, check with the answer whose digital sum is 9, right? Sometimes probably 3 can be eliminated. If you are able to eliminate only 2, then use this approach. 2 plus 1 is 3. 234 minus 3, 231. 9 minus 3, 10 minus 4. 9 minus 3, 10 minus 4. Right? I hope the idea it is clear. 178 into 4 nines. Here the number of nines are more. Vedashree. I added 2 zeros because I need to keep a slash. 4 nines I kept a slash after 4 digits. It is a 3-step process. First keep a slash. Then work with left of slash. Then work with right of slash. 0 plus 1 is 1, it is subtracted, right? To the left of slash, any number is there, add 1 to it and subtract it. I told you that I will discuss the proof. 99 is 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1. 234, 00 minus 234. Am I right? Now see here. This is nothing but 100 minus 34, 66. It is getting carried. So it is getting carried. This is nothing but 233 minus 2. Or it is also nothing but 234 minus 3. From 4, 1 gone. That can be given to 2. That can be given to 2. I hope it is clear. It will become 233 minus 2. 233 minus 2. This is nothing but plus 1 and it is minus 1. So it is 234 minus 3. I hope the idea it is clear. Any number when you multiply with 9, answer digital sum should always be 9. Any number when you multiply by 9, right, answer digital sum is 9. Now see here. Why are we keeping slash? This slash will tell us what are the numbers that I will write it down in a new slide. 234 into 99, it is there. I told you that it is 2 slash 34. These 231.66. Why the slash is kept after 2 digits? This number is nothing but the hundreds complement of 34. Suppose if it is 234 into 100 minus 1. This is nothing but 234.00 minus 234. This is nothing but the hundreds complement of 34. The slash will tell that anything to the right of slash. Anything to the right of slash. This is nothing but the 10 power k complement. 6 slash 789. 999 is nearer to 1000. This will tell me, Sahana, that this is the 1000 complement of 789. This is nothing but the hundreds complement of 99. 1, 2, 3 into 5 nines. Into 5 nines. 0, 0, 0. These will tell me that this is the 10 power 5 complement of the right hand side. 10 power 5 complement of the right hand side. Shivakumar, tell me exactly where is the doubt in 341 into 333. I don't believe in rote based learning. You tell me where you are getting fumbled. Venkatesh says, all the problems which I did are with multiples of 9 only. Right? 1768 into 999 for you, Venkatesh. These is nothing but 1 slash 768. 1 plus 1 is 2. Subtracting. These 1766. Every digit is 9 minus. Unit digit is 10 minus. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 8 is nothing but 2. These 232 is nothing but 1000 minus 768. 1000 minus 768. See, I am using this method to avoid subtraction. If I write like this, again you will get confused. So I used a line to the right hand side of slash. Every digit is 9 minus, unit digit is 10 minus. That is how you do the complements from 10 power k. That is how you do the complements. Kindly reply in the live chat in case you got any doubt. Why am I discussing this one? In placement, there is a question. Speed is 347 meter per second. Time period is, this was the question, Time period is 1000 seconds. 1000 seconds. Time period is decreased by 0.1 percentage. 0.1 percentage. Find the total distance. Find the total distance. If the time period is decreased by 0.1 percentage, find the total distance. Find the total distance. Speed equivalent to distance by time. Distance equivalent to speed into time. Speed is 347. Time period is 3000. It is decreased by 0.1. 0.1 is 1 by 10. D is 1 by 100. That means it became 999. Now the time period is 999. Now you know how to solve. D is 0347. G is add 1. 347 minus 1, 346. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 4. 10 minus 7, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. Answer is 346653. 346653. I hope this is where it is used. That is where it is used. I know why am I teaching a concept. I know where the concept can be used in the future. I know how to lift a student who is not good in aptitude. Some of you are very young, 20, 21. Maybe sometimes your ego will come first more than the logic, right? It is like Swami Vivekananda said to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, right? You cannot be so knowledgeable sitting under a palm tree. He said that it is for you to decide whether I am knowledgeable or not. There is this movie where Milkha Singh, there is this movie where the Milkha Singh is running. The competitor says, right, this will become your last race. Right, this will become your last race. And the Milkha Singh says so beautifully, I will run like this race will be the last race. So one negative line from the competitor, he converted into a positive line. When the Dhanush made this album, why these Kolavaridi, right, absolutely shitty lyrics. Absolutely, there is no meaning in most of the lines. But it crossed some million views. And one critic has asked that, see, you made that music, everybody from the top of the music directors in other industry, they are probably telling that the song is meaningless. The way Dhanush responded to that question asked by a critic is, I am so happy that my song reached the toppest of the music director in India, and he took time to comment on. He took time to comment on my video. That means he has taken time to watch my video and comment on it. What better happy moment than this? One negative thing can be converted into a positive thing, right? So I always believe that when I'm taking a class, there are students who are at a non-mathematics background. There are students who are from Nellore. There are students who are from Bangalore. There are students who fear mathematics. There are students who are from good mathematics. I need to cater to everybody else, right? Definitely, if I am going on the road, if a dog is barking at me, will I bark at the dog back? If I bark at the dog back, there is no difference between me and the dog. I hope it is clear, right? Dakshita, the zero should be placed if the number of nines are more. 138 into, if it is 3 nines, 138 into 4 nines. This is nothing but keep a 0. So that you will keep a slash. This is nothing but keep zeros. Here you can keep a slash. I hope it is clear. Dakshita, for you. Let me check it out. Right, Shiva, 341 into 333. This is nothing but 341 into 3 into 111. I don't know where you are fumbled. Right, 4 3s are 12. 1023 into 111. 102300. Easily you are getting the answer right. There should not be any problem for this question. I hope it is clear, right? 3 into 230 plus x whole square. It is nothing but 492A04. A equivalent to, if you know the logic, you can find out this answer very, very fast. 3 into 230 plus x whole square is 492A04. This is nothing but 3 square is 9. So 9 into 230 plus x whole square. 9 into any number. If I multiply any number by 9, answer digital sum should be 9. Just now we discussed. Answer digital sum should be 9. 9 is eliminated. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus a should be divisible by 9. After 9, what is the next multiple of 9? A is nothing but 8. A is nothing but 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. Time is 1000. It is decreased by 0.1 percentage. 0.1 is 1 by 10. Percentage is 1 by 100. So 1 on 1000. On 1000, 1 decrease Karimullah. So therefore the final answer will be 999. Therefore the final answer will be 999. I hope the logic is clear. Next one. I hope the logic is clear. Next, how to multiply any two numbers. Diagonal method. How to multiply numbers nearer to each other. How to multiply numbers by series of ones. How to multiply numbers by series of nines. Concept number 5. Concept number 5. Problems based on perfect squares. Concept number 5. Problems based on perfect squares. Listen carefully, sir. Problems based on a perfect squares. Suppose if I take x as a natural number. If I take x as a natural number. If I square these number, x into x, this will become a perfect square. If the power is 2 or the multiples of 2, 2 power 4, 16 can be written as 4 into 4. If the power can be written as a multiple of 2, then it is a perfect square. X is a natural number. So x can be an even number or x can be an odd number. X is an even number or x is an odd number. Even number is 2k whole square. Odd number is 2k plus or minus whole square. Either it can be 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. This will become 4k square. This will become 4k square plus or minus 4k plus 1 plus or minus 4k plus 1. These perfectly divisible by 4. Perfectly divisible by 4. Perfectly divisible by 4. It gives a remainder how much? 1. Please write down this point. If the number is a perfect square. If the number is a perfect square. If the number is a perfect square, the form of the number is either 4 into x or 4 into x plus 1. Please remember, reverse may or may not be true. 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 If the number is a perfect square, if it is a perfect square, it will be of the form 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1. Suppose if the question is 5374, is it a perfect square? By using this logic, what are the last two digits of the number? 74. 4 into, why we are doing last two digits? It should be divisible by 4. 4 18s are 72. 72 plus 2. 4k plus 2. It cannot be. Answer is no. Suppose if it is 1329. 1329. Now see here. 1339, let us see. In the next problem, I will do 1329. 1339. Last two digits is 39. 39 is 4 into 9 plus 3. It cannot be of the form 4k plus 2 or 4k plus 3. Very, very important logic. Please write down, sir. Please write down. If it is like I took a stone and I throw it onto the lake, waves will come. Waves will come. If I throw a stone, definitely ripples will happen. If I throw a stone, ripples will happen. Reverse case, For the water to form ripples, it is not mandatory that I throw a stone. Maybe somebody else would have thrown a stone. I hope it is clear. If I throw a stone, then definitely ripples will come. If the number is a perfect square, definitely it is of the form 4 into x or 4 into x plus 1. Next slide is extremely important. What are all the concepts related to perfect square? First concept, a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Next logic, tens place. Yesterday we discussed tens place is odd only when the units place is 6. In every other case it will be even. Second logic, any perfect square is of the form 4 into x or 4 into x plus 1. These are the various ways to check whether a number is a perfect square or not. Last logic. Now see here. Every perfect square has a digital sum. Every perfect square has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Every perfect square has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Reverse may or may not be true. If this is a perfect square, answer digital sum will be 1, 4, 7 or 9. If the number is a perfect square, the digital sum will be 1, 4, 7 or 9. Write down the proof. Suppose if I take any digital sum is nothing but sum of the digits till you get a single digit number. These are all the possible digital sums. Yes or no? 91. What is the digital sum of 91? 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 0, it is 1. 181. What is the digital sum of 181? 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10, 1. What is the digital sum of 2, 3, 4, 1? Again 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Again it is 1. This is the set of all the numbers whose digital sum is 1. Set of all the numbers whose digital sum is 2. If I square it, 1 square 4. Next is, 1 square it is 1. 2 square 4. 3 square it is 9. 4 square 16 which is 7. 5 square 25 which is 7. 6 square 36 which is 9. 7 square 49. 4 plus 9 13. 1 plus 3 4. 8 square 64. 6 plus 4 10. It is nothing but 1. 9 square is 81. 8 plus 1 9. Right side, which all numbers we got? 1, 4, 7 or 9. 1, 4, 7 or 9. Extremely important point, sir. Very, very important point. Very, very important point. Every perfect square has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Every perfect square has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Reverse may or may not be true. Only if this is true, this will be true. Right? This is true. Right? I hope it is clear. Sahana, what is the doubt? A perfect square does not. You are saying what I said repeatedly. I said if the number is a perfect square, it should be 4 into x or 4 into x plus 1. You are doing the converse of this concept. You are checking this and telling me whether it is a perfect square or not. That is what that stone example I said it twice. If the number is a perfect square, it should be of the form 4 into x or 4 into x plus 1. If it is of the form 4 into x or 4 into x plus 1, it may or may not be perfect square. Don't take the converse. Don't take the converse. Here also don't take the converse. If it is a perfect square, If the digital sum should be 1, 4, 7 or 9. Again, don't take the example of 22 and tell that it is not a perfect square. Converse may or may not be true. If I throw a stone, ripples will form in the lake. If I throw a stone, if this happens, that will happen. For that to happen, this may or may not happen. May or may not happen. May or may not happen. Right? I told you yesterday, Vamshi, any perfect square ending with 1, tens place should be even. 91 is not a perfect square. Please remember, if this is true, this will happen. If this is a perfect square, it is 4 into x or 4 into x plus 1. The digital sum will be 1, 4, 7 or 9. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. I hope the idea it is clear. Now write down the questions. Is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. A perfect square. A perfect square. Is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. This is of the form 4k plus 1. So you might say that, no, I said if this happens, this will be. I hope it is clear. Delete the digital sum. It is 3. If it is a perfect square, this should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. 1, 4, 7 or 9. If the number is a perfect square, it will be 4 into k or 4 into k plus 1. If the number is given, we have to check by using digital sum or some more concepts. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. A perfect square is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. A perfect square. 1 plus 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. This is 16. It is 30. Digital sum is 3. If the digital sum is 3, it is definitely not a perfect square. It is definitely not a perfect square. Definitely not a perfect square. Any doubts you can ask. I created a question for one of the examinations some years before based on permutation and combination and this concept. Please write down. How many 5-digit numbers? How many 5-digit numbers that can be formed? How many 5-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits? How many 5-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are conceptual, sir. I'll keep creating questions. Absolute clarity of concepts, you will get it. As I keep repeatedly saying, neither these concepts nor these problems in a structured way, you will not find it in any textbook. You are writing notes, right? Right after the class, open Google and check it out. This is a structure derived out of 15 years experience. Now see here. How many 5-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. Are perfect squares. Are perfect squares. Beautiful questions. Most of the students fumbled in this question. They thought the logic is very long. But actually, if you think logically, if you start looking at the way Anil Nair looks at this problem should not take more than 10 seconds to solve. How many 5-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits and I need a 5-digit number. Repetition is not allowed. There is a 5-digit number. So, totally 5 numbers can come in 5 digits in 5 factorial. 120 numbers. How many numbers are perfect squares? 1 out of the 120 numbers. Can I write? It will be like this. Another number could be like this. Or another number could be like this. It could be anything. What is the sum of the digits? 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 2 plus 1. What is the digital sum? 6. Here also, what is the sum of the digits? 6. All the 120 numbers, digital sum is 6. For it to become a perfect square, it should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. It should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. So, therefore, answer is no 5-digit numbers. No 5-digit numbers exist. Beautiful question, sir. I hope you have understood this concept in clear. Everybody, kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. If this concept is clear to you, kindly reply. Everybody. Everybody, I hope this logic is clear. There is a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 digits can come together in 5 factorial. 120. So, out of 120 numbers, all the numbers digital sum is 6. All the numbers digital sum is 6. So, there is no number whose digital sum can be 1, 4, 7 or 9. Can be 1, 4, 7 or 9. I hope everybody it is clear. I hope this concept is clear for everybody. Next one.